Hello everyone, welcome to my mini channel. Today Elsa and Anna are going to prom before they go to Lila's shop and choose clothes. Let's see what clothes they will pick. Keep watching.
Sister, our new film is coming soon. I'm very excited. We have to buy ourselves some beautiful dresses to dress at the premiere. Lila is our friend and she has a beautiful clothing store. Should we pick clothes from Lila's shop? That's a good idea, Anna. Let's go!
Girls, welcome to my store. I have some great dress suggestion for you. Let's choose a dress for the gala together. First, let Anna choose her 3 favorite dresses. Anna, I think the yellow dress looks good on you. Wow!
Absolutely. I must buy yellow dress.
It's Assa's turn. Let Assa choose her 3 favorite dresses.
Elsa, I think the most green and white dress suits you. You should take this.
Girls, I'm gonna pack the clothes.
I loved my dress. We chose our clothes. Thanks for your help. I love the yellow dress. Thanks, Lila. Oh, sister, let's go. We will be late. I'm ready, Assa. Me too, Anna. Let's go to the gala.
Thank you so much for your watching. If you like this video, you can press like button and subscribe my channel. Bye. See you next video.
Let it go
because it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?